This video is currently at 27,000 views ever since it was published, and it is still getting views. But what if I told you that this particular video was actually a dead video? Yes, it stopped getting views even before this video got to 500 views. But I was able to implement some strategies on this particular video, which made the YouTube algorithm to start pushing this video and start recommending it to people. So basically, I was able to revive this dead video. And not just that, this video started going viral. Okay, so if you're a creator here on YouTube, you've invested so much into always creating quality content, but at the end of the day, you make less views, 10 views, 20 views, then this video is for you, because in this video, I'm going to be sharing 9 secret tips you can always use to revive your videos. So whether you have a dead video on your channel, you have videos that are stopped, probably stopped getting views after 24 hours of upload, this video is for you. Please do well to watch this video from beginning to the end, because this 9 tips is really going to revive every dead video that you have on your channel, if only you watch from beginning to the end, and if only you implement exactly what I'll be teaching in this video. Alright, so before I show you the 9 strategic things that you can do on each of your videos to fix it and make it come alive, let me take you to my analytics to show you exactly what I'm saying. Now let's go to the first 24 hours. So in 1 hour time, this video was able to get 100 views, which is quite unusual. Now if you look at this graph, you're going to see that the blue line is actually below the main graph, which means that whenever I upload a new video on my channel, I usually get from 800 to 1,200 views in 16 hours to 24 hours. But this video was doing so poor. But this particular video started peaking on the 3rd day. That was when this graph started going up. So this video was literally so sluggish. It was so slow. People were not clicking. People were not watching until I implemented these strategies. And you can see from the graph that on the 1st of March, this video peaked and it rose up to 367 views, right? And on the 2nd of March, this video was able to get 5,915 views. Now on the 12th of March, this video got 20,337 views. You can see the difference. And the first thing you need to do whenever you upload a new video and you see that the views of that video is so sluggish, or that video is not getting view or not getting recommended at all, the first thing you actually need to fix immediately is your CTR. Okay, whenever you upload a new video, always ensure to study your analytics. This is where you're going to get where the real problem is, why people are not watching or why people are not clicking. Now, for you to know how to fix your CTR, or to know the best time to fix your CTR, whenever you upload a new video, go to your YouTube studio, right? Click on content. It is going to bring your videos, right? Then click on the main video which you uploaded recently. Now once you click on it, it's going to take you to the analytics, right? Now you go to the reach of that particular video and go and check the impression click-through rates. Okay, so after uploading your video and you see that the impression click-through rate is less than 3% or 2% or 1%, that video is not going to get views. Okay, because the CTR is so poor, that means it is not appealing to your audience. Your audience are not clicking, either because the thumbnail may be boring, so you need to quickly adjust your thumbnail. Now for this particular video, I noticed that people were not clicking because the thumbnail that I fixed on that particular video initially when I uploaded that video was not good and it was not catching. Okay, so I had to quickly go and redesign another thumbnail, and this was the thumbnail that got the attention of people, and then they started clicking on that particular video. So if you upload a video and you don't get views, the first thing you need to fix is your CTR. Make sure it is very catchy, it is bold, and it is attractive. Now the second thing you also need to fix is your title. Make sure that your title carries a keyword, okay, keyword that is searchable. All right, because these keywords is what is also going to make your videos rank. Right, let your videos carry keyword, let it be curiosity driven, and let your title align to the main content itself. Now the third thing you also need to fix is to improve your audience retention. Now let's assume your CTR is good, your title is good, but your audience retention is poor. That means people are clicking, but they are not watching for long. I know you've uploaded that video, but you can't delete it, right? But in your next video, you should try to improve in it, okay? From your hooks, make sure that your hook is able to hold people to watch that particular video of yours. If your hook is not strong, they are definitely going to click off. Now, the fourth thing you need to fix is to drive engagement immediately. Okay, so after fixing your CTR, your title, you need to drive in engagement immediately. And how do you do that? The use of your community tab. Okay, you need to go to your community tab and let your audience or let your subscribers know that, okay, I have a new video, please do well to watch that video. That video is really going to help you if you're trying to solve so problem, because I was able to share my results, I was able to give solutions. Okay, that way you're going to drive engagement to that particular video. Now, the fifth thing you need to do is to re-promote that particular video. Okay, after fixing your CTR and the likes, make sure that you re-promote that video. Don't just leave it there. Okay, it's just like you have a business and you are not doing ads. Okay, you're not making advertisements about the business. How are people going to know that, okay, you have a business? Okay, so you need to also re-promote the video, right? Now, the seventh thing you need to do immediately is to link that video to a new video. Right now, let's assume you have dead videos and you've been uploading consistently on your channel. Now you need to link that particular video which you fixed the CTR, you fixed the title, you need to link it to your latest videos, right? You need to link it to the videos which you've uploaded recently on your channel. And how do you do that? The use of end screens, the use of cards, and also your description box. The use of end screens and cards cannot be overemphasized. I get a lot of views coming from my end screens alone. I get a lot of views coming from my cards. So these things are very useful. Okay, so make sure that you always link your old videos to your new videos. This way you're going to drive traffic from those watching your latest videos to come and watch that video that is dead on your channel. All right, now the eighth thing you need to do on that particular video is to fix your SEO. If your SEO is not strong, that particular video is going to suffer for views. Okay, so you need to go back to your hashtag. Check if your hashtag is related to what you're doing. You need to check if your hashtag is searchable. You also need to check your tags. Are your tags correct? Are your tags carrying the necessary keywords that is supposed to help that video rank? Okay, so you need to check these things, and also your description. All right, make sure that these three things are carrying necessary keywords that can help that video to rank. So if people are searching for that video on YouTube, your videos is going to rank. It's going to pop up. All right, now the ninth, which is the last thing you need to do, is that after fixing these 8 things and you still don't see changes, the next thing you need to do is to recreate that particular video. You don't need to delete that particular video, okay, then having to re-upload. No, don't do that. What you need to do is to be creative and recreate that type of video, and this time around make sure that your CTR is very strong, your title is very strong, your SEO is very strong, everything, your audience retention, your hooks is very strong. That way YouTube is actually going to recommend that video, and whoever clicks on that particular video, they are also going to enjoy and get value from it. That way your audience retention is going to be high, and it's to tell the algorithm that people are enjoying this content, let's push it to more people, and that way you're going to get massive views, and luckily you may go viral. All right, so these are the 9 things you need to fix on any of your videos, whether they are stopped, whether they are dead. Do these 9 things and trust me, your videos are going to come alive again. These are the things I did on my own video, and it was able to revive it, and I've been applying this strategy on any of my videos that I see that they are not getting views. All right, so if you find this video very helpful, do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and lastly, don't forget to drop in your comments if you have any questions in the comment section. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye and take care for now.